Today is October the 11th, 10-11, and our title is Bowling for Cans. Bowling for Cans. Okay, let's open it up here. I'm going to turn my book horizontally again today because I'm going to need this room. Don't forget your date, 10-11. Here we go. We're going to create cans, but we're going to put them in a pattern where they look like bowling pins, hence bowling for cans. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start right around the bottom middle, and I'm going to create a foreshortened circle which looks just like an oval. Okay, to make that into a can, bring it down on the left, down on the right, equal lengths, and then connect the bottom just like here how you have a curve with a curve. Okay, so you've pretty much got your first can. Now, we're going to be creating cans that go behind them. So what we're going to do is we're going to make two more foreshortened ovals, but we're going to make them just a little bit smaller, and we're going to put them behind this can. So what that is find the middle and come over a little bit, and then make your foreshortened circle. Make another one pretty much right next to it. Leave just a little bit of space in between. Down, down, down in the back and stop. Same length on the other side and stop. Okay, now this is curving here, so this is going to curve right into there. So is this one. Okay, so now you've got two cans. Okay, now we're going to make three. So we're going to start to make our circles even smaller as we move back. And I'm going to make one in the middle, two, and three. Okay, so now you have three. And you're going to bring it down on the sides. So this one is behind this one, so you can't really see the bottom. This one's going right here. This one's going right here. Bring it down, down, make those equal. Curve it, curve it. Okay, let's do this one more time. Okay, it makes a pattern. So what you're going to do is one more time, come back and see in between here and here where there's an empty space. 1, 2, now we're going to have 4 this time. 3, 4. And they get even smaller now as they're going back. Bring it straight down here and here. That's running into there, so you can't see the bottom. Same thing right here. That's running into there, so you can't see the bottom. Bring it down here, down and stop. Bring it down here, down and stop. Curve it, curve it. Okay, so at this point we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we have 10, exactly 10. Okay, so what we're going to do is add some shading and then we'll be finished. So all of these cans we're going to shade on the left side, and how we're going to do that is we're going to start with a dark shadow going all the way down the left. Okay, and as we move over, I'm going to lighten it up. Okay, so there's one. The second one to the left, same thing. Darken it and lighten it as it moves over. Okay, again, all the way back. You're going to start fairly dark and lighten it up as you move over. Okay, so you've got 4 here. Let's continue. Now this one, you can't really see the bottom, so you're just going to have to shade a little bit as far as the dark goes. And then the rest will be light. So you're hiding the rest of the shading behind the other cans. Okay, 2 more to go. Then we'll add cast shadows and we'll be done. So always just dark to light. Okay, So now you have all of them shaded. Now we just need cast shadow coming off of them. We're only going to see the cast shadow come off of 4 of them because the light is coming from this direction because it's hitting right here and it's leaving shadow on the opposite side. So what that means is when you put in your cast shadow, curve it around, go from corner to corner and stop. And it should be rounded, just like the top of your can. Okay, I wouldn't have it square, it's rounded like this. Okay, you're going to do the same thing here. And here. And here. And that's it. Okay, so you have 10 cans. They all should be shaded along the left side from dark to light. You should have a cast shadow on the 4 right here. And let's go ahead and put a horizon line in the back to finish. Straight across. There we go. And that should do it. That's your drawing for today. So please make sure you include 10 cans, that your 4 shortened circles go from large and they get smaller as they go back. Don't forget the horizon line, all the shading, and be sure to erase any lines or marks that you don't need.